Meaning of discus.
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 Discus. Discus refers to a throwing sport in which athletes throw a heavy, circular object called a discus. The objective is to throw the discus as far as possible within a marked distance. Athletes must use proper technique and strength to achieve maximum distance. Discus requires practice and training to develop the necessary skills. Competitions are held at various levels, from local to international, and are governed by specific rules. The sport has been part of the Olympic Games since 1896 and continues to be popular among athletes around the world.